Welcome to my YouTube channel Modi Mechanical Engineering Tutorials. In this video, I would like to explaining in details onto the factors affecting selection of engineering materials. So in my previous video, I already explaining about the engineering requirements of the materials. So in this video, only focusing on to the which kind of factors that will be affecting onto the selection of the engineering materials. So let us start with our first properties of the materials. So basically the properties of the material which is define the specific characteristics of the materials and to form the basic of the predicting behavior of the same under the different loading conditions. So that loading conditions, it might be mechanical loading, magnetic field, it will be chemical surroundings, or you can say the environment effect. So that materials, it will be withstanding all kind of under the loading conditions, or you can say different loading conditions. So basically the importance property of the materials that will be like as a mechanical properties, then considering as a strength, hardness, that all considering as a mechanical property. If you want to one onto the electrical properties like conductivity, resistivity, if it will be the thermal properties like heat capacity, heat, or you can say thermal conductivity. Then if you work onto the magnetic properties like hysteresis, then magnetic fields or magnetic flux, that will be considering for the magnetic properties. Chemical properties like electron affinity, electronegativity and acidity, etc. For the optical properties like reflection, diffractions, absorptivity, etc. So basically which kind of factors or you can say properties is being required for the engineering materials. So in the field of the engineering, there are different kind of products, and different kind of products it will be having a different kind of properties. So as per the requirement of that particular products, we need, or that will be the necessity of the different kind of properties is being present into the materials. So the first one, that will be the properties of the material. That will be the important part for selection of engineering materials. Then second one, the performance of materials. So basically the components made of your selected material must be having a capability of performing the functions assigned to without the failure, or you can say without failure it will be having a good performance, or you can say satisfactorily performance. So basically the performance is a qualitative kind of functional requirements. So it is be related precisely to specify the values of the applicable properties such as mechanical, thermal, physical, etc. So I will give the little bit examples. A part to be used as a shaft must withstand the cyclic loading for the some components of the cycles during that all the design life. So the most important part for selection of the engineering materials, that will be the performance. So each and every components process, or you can say any kind of methodology, it will be check its performance level. Then next, materials reliability. So reliability is the degree of probability that a product and its material will remain stable enough to function in service for the intended life of the product without failure. So a material in a given applications must be reliable for its functionally. So it never changes the performance of the products, with it will be having a highly reliable. So it will be some drastically change into the loading conditions. So that material must be reliable to give its best performance during the working conditions. So that will be the basic requirements of the materials reliability. So by that reliability, it will be reduce the accidents during the operation of the any kind of product. Safety. So safety implies here for the human beings as well as place where the material is being used as a part of a product. So a material must be perform its function safely. Otherwise, the failure of the product made out of this material may result in a great loss of the lives in the form of the human beings as well as properties in the form of equipments, building, etc. So that will be having highly safety. It will be required for the products of the materials and as well as for the human beings. So by the application of the safety, you should reducing your accident during the processing, or you can say use of that particular engineering products. Physical attributes. So the factors such as dimensions, mass, volume, color, appearance, etc., which will be affect the selection of the materials in many ways. So nowadays most of the people, or you can say customers, that will be more focusing onto the physical attributes. So they affect the service as well as the safety requirements of the product into the service conditions. So that will be the important part as a physical attributes. So that will be also considering as a factors which will be affecting the engineering materials. Environmental conditions. So the working environment under which a part, or you can say the product, has to perform its function influences the service performance of it. So the basics, the performance of temperature, humidity, water, or you can say harsh chemicals in the working environment of the products can be causes the corrosions, or you can say creeping of the materials. So that will be reducing the life of the product. So environment, that will be having a vital role for deteriorating the properties of the materials. So this will be tend to failure of the materials. So if our product, it will be into the hazardous chemicals, or you can say hazardous environment, so you need to select such kind of materials according to the requirements of the property. So environment condition, that will be one kind of factor which will be influencing onto the selection of the engineering materials. Availability. So a material must be readily available and in quantity large enough for the requirement of the product. So of course that will be considering as a good quality materials. So one must be think in advance for the alternative choice of the materials when the existing material becomes available with the difficulties. So you need to controlling the second kind of materials that will be replacing your basic materials. So availability, it will be having a vital role for getting as a raw materials. Disposability and recyclability. So the selected materials should not be harm environment in the surroundings. Also, they should not produce any pollutions in any kind of form. So nowadays, government, it will be take the precautions for recycling, or you can say disposability of the any kind of metallic material, plastic material, you can say the waste materials. So before that will be living into the environment, you should process for the recycling or reuse of the particular products. Economic factor. So the total cost of the any products, or you can say part or process, is the sum of the cost of the materials and the cost of the processing it into the finished product or a part. So the most important factors for the selection of materials is always the cost, because it affects the economy of the firm, or you can say industry producing the products. So there is always a limit up to the which can afford the price. So in the firm itself, the steps for reducing the cost of the product must be given due to the consideration. So all the industries that will be always focusing on to the less price, it will be having a good properties, or you can say good reliable materials. So that will be the most important parameter, economic factor, or you can say economic consideration. Last topic for factor affecting the selection of the engineering materials, and that will be government policies and taxes. So many times the government policies such as rules for the import export, sales tax, excise duty, value added tax, or you can say VAT, etc., changes during the course of the time. So while selecting a material, this factor become very important as it decided the company's economy and the procurement indirectly. So that will be also affect the selection of the engineering materials. So these all are the most of the important factors which will be affecting the selection of engineering materials. So if you like this, then subscribe and share Modi Mechanical Engineering tutorials. Thank you so much and keep watching.